Okay, next experiment RL-RC locus diagram. The main purpose of this conducting a locus diagram is to plot RC and RC-RL locus diagram. To plot the curves of RC and RL locus diagram. These are the circuit for RL and RC locus diagram. This is the circuit for RL and RC locus diagrams. In this locus diagram, then we use an auto transformer, then 26 by 4 amperes of rheostat and 150 millihenry of inductance. The corrections are given. The output of the auto transformer is given to the ammeter, another is given to the voltmeter. Ammeter second terminal is given to the rheostat of bottom terminal, and rheostat to inductance to negative, and voltmeter to negative. From this circuit, we draw the curves of RL locus diagram. By observing this diagram, we calculate the resistance value, the voltage, current. We take these three values: resistance, voltage, and current. Then we calculate the impedance V by I. Then finally calculate the power factor. Power factor angle. Pi is equal to cos inverse of W divided by VI. Then by using this angle, then the magnitude of current and voltages, we draw this locus diagram of RL and RC. In case of RL locus diagram, we calculate every time the phase angle and the magnitude of current. Voltage is taken as a reference. By taking the phase angle and the magnitude of current, we draw the different path of the locus, then draw all these points is joined, we get RL locus diagram. Similarly, in replacing by the inductance of 150 millihenry, then 50 microfarad. The same circuit, instead of resistance value, we calculate capacitance. Replacing the inductance value to the capacitance, the same experiment is repeated. Then again to calculate the locus diagram for RC circuit. Then voltage is taken as a reference. Then we calculate the magnitude of current and the phase of this current value. Then with the path of magnitude and phase, we get this type of RC locus diagram. The connections are by using this multimeter.